Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and today we are going to be talking about 5 ways to repurpose your content for Instagram Reels. You do not have to make content, you just have to know how to repurpose it properly. So let's get started. So repurposing is basically recreating the content for the same platform. For example, okay, when IGTV came into existence, a lot of people got scared, like, okay, oh my god, I have to create more content, this is going to be like very burn out for every other creators, because there are so many platforms and so many things to do that people are just felt the burden of creating more and more content. But that's not the case. If you have seen famous creators such as Gary Vee and other creators in the digital marketing niche, you might know he does not create like separate content for YouTube, separate for IGTV, separate for Instagram stories and post. He just creates one basic content and repurposes it to the different platforms available. For example, if you have seen a YouTube video of mine, I post the same video, take it, just shift it into the dimensions of IGTV and post it over there. I just have to create content once and then post it into different platforms, whether it be YouTube, it be Instagram. And it is completely okay. Let me tell you that it is okay to put content, the same content, in two different places, because YouTube is a different app, Instagram is different. YouTube being a search engine, Instagram is an app, so like not a search based app, it's an algorithm based, timely mannered app like Facebook. So it's okay. So now I'm going to tell you how you can use the past content which you have created and repurpose it for your own Instagram Reels. This way you do not have to keep on filming Instagram Reels, you just have to repurpose it in a very smart way. If you are interested in growing your Instagram account, I have a 10-day Instagram growth challenge on my Instagram, Urvee Designs, where I share a lot of free tips regarding Instagram marketing. So if you want, you can just check that out. Okay, so the first thing which I really loved repurposing was my Instagram stories. So before this, I have uploaded a lot of stories when it comes to travel, beauty, hauls, all of that, and people love to see unboxings, the places I've been to. So I went through my archive. This is what you can do: go through your archive, see what are the kind of stories would people would love to see on Reels, and save them and upload them. You will easily, I would say, like, the stories feature has been out since years now, so I would suggest you to like go through, not like way beyond, but see which is relevant enough till now, till 2020, and see which ones would work for your Reels. I would definitely say you would find a lot of them. Now this is a no-brainer. The second one is to repurpose your TikToks. We all have been there. Now TikTok is not available in India, but it is available elsewhere. Why do you want to put so much of effort in creating new content when you can just download your TikTok videos which you have created without the watermark and post it on your Instagram Reels? And this is a great thing because you can see from your TikTok analytics which TikToks have worked for you. Let's say a TikTok on how to style up some, like a white top, has worked tremendously good on TikTok. Chances are it might work the best on Reels as well. So you already have it, like you have seen that it works on TikTok, it will work on Reels. Just download it and upload it. That's a very good way, and I've seen so many people just posting their TikToks on Reels. Now the third one is uploading BTS videos. It can be anything, like can be you talking to a vlog and saying like, hey guys, now I'm doing this, now I'm doing that. People really love when you're candid, when you're showing the behind the scenes of your process. Okay, people, you do not want to keep everything perfect. Reels are just a feature of people seeing you more. The one of the reasons why TikTok became the thing that it is not perfect. People share their flaws, and people share the BTS and everything, and it makes them happy. It is candid, it is fun. So do not take it very perfectly into a okay, I'm gonna make this so high end and so edited and just aesthetically pleasing. Don't just focus on that. Also focus on sharing your raw moments. Share BTS. I have shared so many BTS from some of my trips, and just randomly just talk to the camera, fumbling around, and people really like that. So do share your BTS videos. Now the next one is a blooper. Okay, so I have also shared my bloopers. It's something just like people really love watching, and which is what I really love, that people connect and people share and people laugh. So maybe you can try, sharing your bloopers. This is a great way to connect to your audience, to show them that that happens to you too. So yeah, definitely. And then the last one is sharing your YouTube videos. Now this can be a little tricky part if you don't know how to share it. So let's say if you have a video ready like this, all you have to do is go into your video editor app, cut 15 seconds from which you think that this part of the video is very important or very crucial, cut it out, and then use an app for phone. If you're using editing on phone, you can use the app called as InShot, and you can change the dimensions to the Instagram story option and then post it to your Instagram reels. Or you can use the app Final Cut. I use that basically most of the times. Or you can use the app called as Weed.io, which is basically like a platform where you can resize any videos to the social media platform and also add subtitles. Now, so adding subtitles is very great when it comes to infographic related accounts. Let's say if you create a lot of videos on talking like this, it will be a very great platform for you. I have paid subscription for it, and it is really great. It creates auto subtitles for free. Not for free. It creates auto subtitles very quickly, like in 5 minutes. I'm able to edit a video like this in like 5 to 10 minutes and upload it on my YouTube channel. So I would definitely recommend you checking that out if you are interested in something like that. Now if you really like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't seen my previous video on why you should post reels, 5 major reasons to post reels right now on Instagram, make sure to check my previous video out, because I have said some amazing insider stuff which you haven't seen already. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow Urvee Designs if you haven't. I just share a lot of giveaways and tips and a lot of things over there. A lot of people enjoy it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.